See guys, what you see there is supposed to be a slime, but I don't know if I think this is an epic fail, you know. And let's see. See, I said epic fail, but no, it's really an epic fail. But still, it's okay because this video is about epic fail. Okay. Now I can't really tell what I did here. What I only did is that first I put some of Colgate, and then I put really much slime. I mean sugar, brown sugar. It's really it's not disappointable, but it's okay because this video is still about an epic fail. And now I really can't retell it my story. It's really, I just hate to tell you what happened. So please like and subscribe my channel about more epic fails videos. I know this is short and all, in only 2 minutes, but this is an epic fail. Look, epic fail. I don't know if this is really epic fail or no, but I think this is not epic fail. See, it's not epic fail. Yeah, I think this is a slime and all. See, I think that is not slime. Oh my god, it's there. Do you know what is my face? Here it is. This is my face. And this is really an epic fail. Epic fail. So getting back to the subject. Okay, now please like and subscribe down below, and please turn on the notification bell for more epic fail videos. So this is my first video, and welcome to epic fail. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe, and also share. And thank you for watching. And this is all. Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. And please hate it too. Thank you. Bye. Good day to everyone. Thank you for watching my video.